For this video, you will need a container of yogurt. Good morning, YouTube viewers. Today we will talk about yogurt and the natural flavors that are in almost every brand. Your container of yogurt, we will not concentrate on this, but we will concentrate on this, the ingredients. I went to the store and purchased 7 different brands of yogurt. And I've been looking at this for a while. Most of the yogurts have natural flavors. Brown Cow, Icelandic, Skyr, Yoplait, Dannon, Chobani, and Norskyr. Now Skyr is, I believe, a type of yogurt that is less sour than yogurt. So I did eat, as you can see, I consumed the Siggies and Icelandic. All of these have fruit except for this one, which was plain. Now you'll find in plain yogurts, you will not have natural flavors. You can always buy your plain yogurt and add your own fruit, and that's what I did for a while. But then I found the Siggies, and I don't work for them or make any money. I just think their yogurt is great. Now you're going to look at the container, and you're going to forget the ingredients, as I said, and forget the nutrition facts for now, but just look at the ingredients. And they say there's no artificial growth hormones, flavors, or artificial sweeteners, but they have listed natural vanilla flavor and natural flavor. Okay, so we're going to look up the website on that one about, not the brand, but we're going to look at natural flavors. So the first thing I want to direct you to is an overview of food ingredients on the FDA website. And this is actually a very, very good article. It has a chart, and I'll just show it to you, and you can look this up yourself before we talk about the natural flavors. So it does list all the types of things that they use. They have enzyme preparations, firming agents, and all the things they allowed. Calcium sulfate, ammonium phosphate. They have leavening agents, baking soda, monocalcium phosphate, calcium carbonate, pH control agents, lactic acid, citric acid, etc., stabilizers, emulsifiers, nutrients as the vitamins, folate, folic acid, beta-carotene can be added to food. We have fat replacers. So you can go here and you'll educate yourself according to all the labels now that you will read. You need to read the ingredients. So here's the Siggies that I like. That one has fruit. It's very good. This one I liked also, but I felt it did have a slight artificial flavor to it, in my opinion. So the next site is, this is actually a good site. It's www.ncbi.gov, and the article is the natural versus natural flavors conflict in food labeling. Now, most foods now that I've seen in a regular grocery store are natural flavors to everything. I mean, I was shocked. Natural isn't necessarily natural. There is no natural term that is regulated. The FDA does not, regulate the word natural. So let me see if I can get the part. Okay, natural has no formal legal definition. It's merely defined pursuant to an FDA-approved informal policy Unlike the term natural, FDA has promulgated legally binding regulations for natural flavors. These flavors are currently the fourth most common food ingredient listed. In reality, natural flavors are a far cry from what consumers might expect, and they can contain both artificial and synthetic chemicals, often used as processing aids. Nonetheless, without a legally binding natural regulation, there has been little opportunity to contest the naturalness of natural flavors in the past. All right, that's all I'm going to read on that one. And the next one is, which I did take a look. Okay, here's the Code of Regulation. This is on healthline.com. According to the USDA's Federal Code of Federal Regulation, natural flavors are created from spices, fruits or fruit juice, vegetables or vegetable juice, edible yeast, herbs, bark, buds, root leaves, or plant material, dairy products, meat, etc., etc. It said the flavors can be obtained by heating or roasting the animal or plant. In addition, manufacturers are using enzymes to extract flavor compounds from plant sources to help meet the demand for natural flavors. They are meant to enhance, not to contribute nutritional value. These flavors, they're common, whatever. Okay, so let's go back to our yogurt. So I did call Siggy's. All right, I called the company. And I was asking them if they will ever put natural flavors in their yogurt. They said no. They were very polite. And, of course, this has no high fructose corn syrup. It does have regular cane sugar, fruit pectin, live active cultures, skim milk, strawberries, nothing else. No natural flavors. The Icelandic one that I liked, but I probably won't buy, has, let's see, it has pasteurized low-fat milk, live and active cultures, strawberries, cane sugar, pectin, natural flavor, whatever. Okay, I'm not going to read all these because you will read all your ingredients list on everything you buy and you will see this. So I did call another yogurt company, and I'm not sure the name of the company. It's not one here. I bought it somewhere else. So I called and I said, why is there natural flavors in yogurt? It's just yogurt. I mean, do you need that? And he said, well, if you had a secret ingredient, you wouldn't want the public to know either. And I just thought, well, vanilla? If you're adding vanilla, would that be a secret ingredient? That's a very common ingredient. But now you'll see there's not vanilla. It's expensive. They're adding vanillin. It's not natural. So you want to be on a natural diet. So you can take a look at all these yogurts and you can see, I had to get my phone. It's making a noise. So I'm not going to talk too much more about this because this thing that I'm stressing is that you really do want to start reading all your labels. And I'm starting with yogurt because look at all these brands. Right now we have 7 brands of yogurt and there's many, many more brands out there. And here is one other thing I wanted to show you. The only mayonnaise that I found that does not have natural flavor, and there might be more out there, is Sir Kensington. Again, I don't work for them. I just really like this. All natural. Sunflower oil, egg yolks, water, organic lemon juice, distilled vinegar, fair trade organic cane sugar, mustard flour, black pepper, citric acid. Contains eggs, gluten-free. Sir Kensington also makes, it's a ketchup. That's right, ketchup. I don't really buy that too much. It's good. It doesn't have natural flavors. I don't use natural flavors, mainly because of Mike. He has to stay away from glutamate. Is there glutamate in natural flavors? We don't know. It's not really listing it. So everything in your food is not listed Take a look. I do like the Siggi's. I can't say enough about it. And some of the other brands are okay for taste and all, but you know, I'm avoiding natural flavors. So there they are, folks. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope it was somewhat informative to you, because unfortunately when you have food allergies or food sensitivities, or you have a disease, you need to start reading all the food labels now, and it's really difficult to buy anything without the natural flavor. So, but you can find it. It's just a little difficult, but not impossible. So I hope that you liked my video. I hope you'll subscribe. I hope you'll like it, and thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.